What would you do if you were in someone's trunk?
Many trunks these days have a safety feature on them that allows you to get out. Just a little lever that you have to pull which unlocks the trunk. Wait until the vehicle stops moving to escape from the trunk. What if you were stuck inside someone's truck and your hands are tied up? You want to get your hands untied and you want to be ready to strike as soon as the trunk door opens.
What would you do if your hands were taped behind your back and you're sitting on a chair? You're going to start to rub your hands together like you're washing your hands. This is eventually going to create space and it's going to loosen up the duct tape. If your hands are duct taped to the chair, your teeth were available. If your mouth is duct taped too, using your teeth is probably not going to be an option. We're going to start to move the hands back and forth. You might want to do one at a time because if you get a little too wild with both hands, you might knock yourself backwards and that's not going to be very fun. You might hit your head. So we want to avoid that if at all possible. It's slowly loosening up. Once I get one arm free, I can use my hand to undo the tape on the other side. So if you ever find yourself in this situation with your hands tied in front of you with rope, you're going to start using the wash the hands technique. You're going to start to rub your hands together like you're washing your hands. Now this is going to take some time, might give you some rope burns, it might be uncomfortable on your wrist, but it is a lot better than being tied up and being kidnapped. This is going to create some slack and then we can start to use our teeth to pull it up over the palm. There we go. As soon as I started getting those strings loose, I was really able to create some more space and escape. Using your shin to escape from a zip tie when your hands are zip tied in front of you. And you want to make sure that the zip tie is really tight around your wrist. Use your teeth to tighten it. Step one leg up onto a chair, or you can sit down to get to your shin. Raise your hands all the way up over your head and you're gonna slam your wrist down your shin and you're gonna flare your elbows out to the side and this is gonna create pressure and tension on the zip tie and it will break.